In my video guide, I will provide you with recommendations that will help you to effectively get rid of the browser notifications that come from the website called advertisements.com. It's a website that attempts to trick people into subscribing to the multiple advertisements displayed as random push notifications. As you can clearly see, the website advertisements.com tells you to click on the Allow button, supposedly to help you continue the browsing. But if the Allow button is clicked, that's surely a mistake. You may first of all be brought to some other questionable site of similar nature. Also, you will start getting a lot of dangerous pop-ups that will be attacking your screen, primarily in the right bottom part of the computer screen. These ads are also dangerous, and if you interact with them, your computer may eventually be infected. So what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button? You should definitely implement some fixes of your browser. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then click on Site Settings and scroll down to the Permissions area and click on Notifications. Now carefully examine the websites allowed to send notifications. You may find the great portion of sites here, and some of them are decent, some of them are not decent. When you find this advertisements.com, remove this website from the list. And you make sure that you delete also other malicious sites that are causing similar troubles. I would also recommend you to additionally research the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button, install the application, and carefully start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.